What's up, guys? We're on day 3. It's the final day. We started in Nebraska City, Nebraska. Went through St. Louis, Missouri, and we're about 20 miles from Evansville, so we're on the home stretch here. We had a little more problems today, nothing crazy.